In this Affiliate WP review, I'm going to take a look at the plugin and determine how well it performs in a few key areas. We'll take a look at setup and installation, integrations, affiliate management, commission rate options, payouts, and pricing. By the end, you'll know whether Affiliate WP is a great fit for your affiliate program or not. First, what is the setup and installation experience like when using Affiliate WP? Once the plugin is installed, you'll walk through a thorough setup wizard, which collects all the necessary information needed to get your affiliate program up and running. One thing you will want to keep a close watch for, though, is opt-out add-ons, whether they're Affiliate WP add-ons or third-party plugins from the same company. I didn't uncheck any of the default add-on and plugin options and ended up with 10 extra plugins on top of Affiliate WP. Most of them were even a bit outdated, and one was so old it wasn't compatible with the current version of WooCommerce, resulting in a warning. I just needed to update it and then it worked fine. So while the setup process is relatively easy, you do have to be vigilant if you don't want all these extra plugins bogging down your site. If you're looking for lightweight, Affiliate WP is likely to set off even more alarm bells. Besides the opt-out plugins installed during the setup wizard, most of Affiliate WP's extra features also require installing an additional plugin. A better alternative would be to bundle the functionality in the core plugin, but allow it to be turned on and off as needed, especially for key features that most users are likely to need. This would simplify management and updates of your plugin stack when using Affiliate WP. One plugin that handles this quite a bit better, partially because it's much lighter weight in general, is Solid Affiliate. You can toggle features on and off in the core plugin without having to install additional add-ons separately. Next up on the Affiliate WP review checklist is integrations. When it comes to WordPress and e-commerce, WooCommerce is the obvious choice, and Affiliate WP does have a fairly robust WooCommerce integration. Affiliate WP also integrates with many other plugins and platforms such as Easy Digital Downloads, WP Simple Pay, Elementor, WP Forms, and many more. If you value a wide variety of integrations over a focus on one specific e-commerce platform and being more lightweight, then Affiliate WP may be a good fit for you. If you're running a WooCommerce store specifically and don't need all those extra integrations, you may be able to simplify your stack by using a more focused affiliate tool built specifically to work with WooCommerce. No Affiliate WP review would be complete without talking about affiliate management. First, let's take a look at adding affiliates and affiliate registration. Upon installation, Affiliate WP sets up pages for the affiliate area, the affiliate login form, and the affiliate registration form. By visiting the affiliate registration page, affiliates can register to join the program. Unfortunately, the styling is dated by default and will need some additional work to look more modern. Affiliates must be manually approved when they register via the form, but you can also add new affiliates yourself directly from the WordPress admin panel. This will allow you to designate more details from the outset, such as specific commission rates for that affiliate, and how to handle commissions on subscription products. Ideally, though, you won't be doing much manual management of affiliates at all, so you need a really solid affiliate dashboard. This is where affiliates can manage their links, see statistics, referrals, payouts, and more. The Affiliate WP affiliate area suffers from the same styling issues as the registration form. It looks like a basic HTML form and doesn't seem to have picked up my theme styles at all, so it'll require some manual styling. It would also be helpful if Affiliate WP allows you to preview the affiliate area as an actual affiliate. This could be critical if you're troubleshooting issues in the portal and need to see what your affiliates are seeing. There are tabs for link management, creatives, statistics, graphs, referrals, payouts, visits, and settings. The ability for affiliates to create and store their own campaign links is nice, but it doesn't appear that you can delete them, so you could end up with a lot of unused links in this area over time. Overall, the affiliate registration and portal experiences are functional, but they leave a lot to be desired stylistically. There are other affiliate plugins like Solid Affiliate that really nail the styling out of the box, and that'll save you a ton of time if you want your affiliate portal and self-management experience to be more modern for members of your affiliate program. Now let's take a look at the available commission rate options when using Affiliate WP. Affiliate WP gives you the ability to configure a global commission rate, a rate for subscription renewals, and even has support for multi-tier commissions if you want to get into multi-level marketing arrangements. You can also fine-tune commission rates on a per affiliate, per product, or even a per product category basis. Overall, Affiliate WP covers most of the options you would expect. The only one I really found it to be missing is the ability to set up revenue sharing on a specific product for a specific affiliate, so that the affiliate always gets a referral when that product is sold, without having to worry about cookies or special links. Affiliate programs frankly mean nothing if paying out isn't easy. That's why our next stop in this Affiliate WP review is payout options. By default, Affiliate WP offers 3 different payout options. You can use Stripe, PayPal, or you can issue store credit instead of paying out cash. While Stripe and PayPal are standard, the store credit option is an interesting one. It allows you to pay your affiliates by giving them credit toward purchases in your store, rather than having to pay out cash for referrals. When you go to actually pay your affiliates, the options are a little bit limited. You can pay out by affiliate name, date range, and minimum earnings, but that's about it. It would be better if you could segment affiliate payouts a little bit more. For instance, what if you want to pay out only a specific affiliate group, affiliate tag, or even want to exclude a specific affiliate from the payout? Affiliate WP doesn't give you those options out of the box. The final stop on this Affiliate WP review is the big question. How much does it cost? As of the recording of this video, the cheapest plan is $149.60 for the first year, and then $374 each year after that. These prices are about standard for plugins that perform a function resulting in a direct increase in revenue. If you execute well on your affiliate program, the resulting gains should easily cover the price of the plugin, depending of course on your products and industry. Overall, after looking at all these different aspects, I think it's a mature, versatile option with a ton of integrations with other plugins and platforms. The price is not cheap, but that's not uncommon for the type of plugin that this is. There are some notable shortcomings, however, like the opt-out bloat installed during the setup wizard, the dated styling, the reliance on separate plugins for additional functionality, lack of detailed payout filtering, and there's no revenue sharing option. If those are not deal killers for you, it's worth taking a look at Affiliate WP for your WordPress-based affiliate program. If you're looking for an Affiliate WP alternative, one that I've mentioned a few times throughout this video is Solid Affiliate. It kind of hits all the marks that Affiliate WP misses, like being built specifically for WooCommerce, having beautiful out-of-the-box styles, and it doesn't bloat your site. It also has detailed payout filtering and a revenue sharing option. Now, hopefully you have a better understanding of Affiliate WP's strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's a good fit for your WordPress affiliate program. Thank you for watching.